When it comes to Windows Glendale, Arizona, choosing the right window contractors is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. The best window installation, Glendale AZ, offers a wide range of services, including custom windows, energy-efficient windows, and vinyl windows. These options not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improve its energy efficiency, reducing your utility bills significantly. For those seeking affordable window replacement in Glendale, Arizona, there are numerous options available that cater to both residential and commercial windows. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame replacement, Glendale has skilled professionals ready to restore your windows to their original condition. Regular window maintenance. Glendale AZ is essential to prolong the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Energy-efficient windows. Glendale are a popular choice among homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows. Glendale are particularly effective in providing insulation and noise reduction, making them a smart investment for any property. Custom windows. Glendale AZ allow homeowners to personalize their living spaces with unique designs and features. Whether you prefer traditional or modern styles, custom windows can be tailored to fit your specific needs and preferences. Window replacement services. Glendale ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and efficiently, providing you with peace of mind and long-lasting performance. Vinyl windows. Glendale, Arizona are a popular choice due to their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them ideal for the harsh climate of Glendale. Additionally, vinyl windows are available in a variety of colors and styles, allowing you to match them with your home's exterior seamlessly. Double-pane windows. Glendale are another excellent option for those looking to improve energy efficiency and reduce noise pollution. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, which acts as an insulating barrier. Double-pane windows. Glendale can significantly reduce energy costs and enhance the comfort of your home. Regular window maintenance. Glendale AZ is essential for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows. This includes tasks such as window caulking Glendale, window sealing Glendale AZ, and window weatherproofing Glendale AZ. Proper maintenance can prevent drafts, leaks, and other issues that can compromise your home's energy efficiency. Window glass replacement. Glendale is a cost-effective solution for addressing minor damage or wear. Whether it's a small crack or a broken pane, professional window glass replacement, Glendale can restore the integrity of your windows without the need for full replacement. Window tinting. Glendale, Arizona is an excellent way to enhance privacy and reduce glare in your home or office. This service not only improves comfort but also protects your furnishings from harmful UV rays. Window cleaning services. Glendale ensure that your windows remain spotless and clear, enhancing the overall appearance of your property. Window screens. Glendale AZ are essential for keeping insects and debris out while allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home. These screens are available in various materials and styles, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Window shutters. Glendale, Arizona add a touch of elegance and provide additional security and privacy for your windows. Glendale